twice and she really responded. This particular method for yes, which is a different method, there's 3-4 methods to teach them yes, but this is the one I always go for first, is I tickle their chest with a toothpick like there's a fly. I've done it twice and we decided to turn the camera on because both times she responded to get that fly. First I'm going to use my hand. Gotta know, I'm gonna use my hand and then I'm gonna start tickling with that there. I got a good yes, so I'm gonna reward her. Always reward them away from you or with their head straight. Don't have them come your direction. Okay, I'm gonna tickle that chest. No, 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 no. She does a good no, I can tell you that right now. Did you know that? She says no. Yeah, because she's doing no. She thinks that's the answer. We're gonna show her no. The answer is do the yes now. So she'll be kind of fun. She'll do yes and no so you can mess with a little kid. Okay, I'm going to tickle the chest. I'm going to tickle the chest. I'm not using the tooth there. I did not use the toothpick that time. It's just, that was what, her 4th or 5th one? She's starting to catch on already. Hey, are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? I'm just using my finger right now. She's thinking it out. Horses, just like humans, okay, I'm going to use a toothpick. Horses, just like humans, learn from their mistakes. She was doing no and wasn't getting a reward, doing no, wasn't getting a reward. The humans I feel sorry for are the ones that can't get off the couch and make mistakes to learn from. Mistakes, that's evidence you're trying. Somebody want to hand me their feet? All right, that's what mistakes are, evidence that you're trying. Okay, she's starting to catch on already. She's going to be a very good demo horse for this, using that method. Again, there's other methods. This time I'm not using a toothpick, just my finger. You a good girl? Hey, are you a good girl? Okay, toothpick, are you a good girl? Yes, you are. Wasn't much, but I'm going to give it to her. We're going to get what we can get and build off it. You a good girl? Are you a good girl? No, that's not it. Are you a good girl? There. And we're going to get what we can get and build off it. Are you a good girl? I'm going to go, come on. No, she thinks she wants to say no because that's what she knows. Horses do, they repeat what they know and they want to do. That's why if you don't want to overdo something, there you go. You don't want to overdo something because that's all they want to do. I like to, when I teach tricks, hey, you a good girl? When I teach tricks, I like to break it up. Let's do some counting. Let's do some yes. Let's do some no. Let's go sit. Let's go, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, them flies are really getting you today, aren't they? Yeah. Hey, you want to get rode today? Toothpick? Yep. And again. Toothpick? Yep. There's 2. I'm trying to go from 1 to 2 now. Hey, are you a good girl? Yes. I'll give you that one. Now I'm going to go, are you a good girl? 1, and again. 2, and again. 3. Yes, you are. Now I'm going to reward her. Okay? Hey. You think you might have COVID? 1. Come on. 2. Oops, there goes my toothpick, so I'll give it to her. What you doing with my toothpick? Talk about finding it out.
Is it straight down?
What do they call it? Needle in a haystack, huh? I got another one right here, Ken.
Better at seeing any than you are.
I got another one. All right. Are you learning anything here at the Minnesota Horse Training Academy? Are you? Are you learning anything? Yes. 1. Give me another one. 2. Yes, you are.
I don't know. I thought you said no.
Are you glad you came? 1. 2. Yes, you are. 1. 2. Now I'm just going for 2, right? Okay. Are you the world's smartest horse? 1, 2, and 1 more. 3. Yes, she is. See where you can go with that, right? How long's that been? In fact, he's got a time. Hey, did you learn anything here today? Did you?
4.5 minutes.
4.5 minutes in this horse is saying yes, using that method. We'll be talking about some other methods here. You a good girl? 1, 2. At least get 2 out of her, 3 when you follow up. This one made a liar out of me. Usually it takes 2 sessions, you guys, and they catch on the next day. This one went extremely fast.
But you might have worked with her on this before.
I might have started her. Who knows? Too many horses.
Yeah.
Hey, you think you might have COVID? You think you might have the COVID? Do you? You think you might have the COVID? Do you? Yeah. Do a good one. I didn't want to end on a bad one. I want to end on a good one. See what I'm saying? Get that head, that animation. Okay, that's one way. The other way, can you have me some feed there, Ken? The other way, you guys, that I like to use, there's many ways to teach yes. A lot of times you go to teach a no and you get a yes. Like 1 in 10, you'll actually get a yes. But the other way is to cue them with your hand. And what I do is I lift up and come down for the treat. I'm actually controlling his head. Cue him with your hand, lift up and come down for the treat is what the other way. And pretty soon you cue them with the hand and they'll follow this hand. And now down for the treat. She's catching on already. She knows that movement gets it. So pretty soon you do this and you just use your hand and they'll actually follow your hand like that. Did you guys see that? So you can get a yes. And then of course you progressively get your hand out of there. That's a couple ways to teach, 3 ways to teach yes. Sometimes you go to the ear and you get a yes. Sometimes you can do the fly and get a yes. And sometimes you can actually use your hand to lift the head and down for the yes. And then watch, she's watching this hand. So watch what happens now when I cue her. I'm going to lift. And there's your yes. However, the association come into play from the first way we did it with the toothpick. So it's going even faster yet. Okay? Any questions?
You said don't do this with a bit, right?
Don't have the bit in her mouth. Good point, you guys. Hey, are you a good girl? Are you? Are you a good girl? Do it right. Are you a good girl? No, I'm not going to quit because I'm not liking that. I want you down all the way down here. Okay, I'm going to help her. I don't like that. All the way down and come down for that treat. Did you guys see that? I didn't want to quit there because it wasn't a good one. Are you a good girl? There, that's a good one to quit on. We actually got animation, didn't we? But again, guys, you could actually use the lead rope and get them chasing that. Look how nice she's chasing that hand. Did you guys see that? Always reward them away from you, especially when you start getting animation. If they come into your space, that big head comes down to your shoulder, you could have a broken collarbone. So always reward them away from you. I'm going to cue her here. I'm going to see if I can get it. I want to end on a good one. Come on. Do it right. I want to end on a good one. No, that ain't good enough. That ain't good enough. That ain't good enough. Yep, guess what? You don't get a treat, do you? Horses, just like humans, learn from their mistakes. She's thinking about what happened. Well, what happened? Well, you didn't do it right. Now let's do it right. There. That's a little bit. No. There. I wanted animation. I wouldn't quit till I got animation. And then, of course, reward them over there, not towards you. Okay? Are you learning anything here at the Minnesota Horse Training Academy? Are you? Do it right. I want a better one. All right, do it right. I want to there. That was almost right. Are you learning anything? Hey, are you learning anything? Do it right. That was kind of cool. Little animation. 2, 3 lessons like that, you're going to have a horse that says yes and no. Okay, does somebody want to get the buckskin and I'll show you how to transfer a cue? And you guys, go ahead. You can stop that.